Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. And if you are watching this video, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button for my new videos. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of our snack. So I'm from Sierra Leone. We have a lot of street food and one of them is called Buhdoor. Okay, so Buhdoor is made out of cassava. So this is cassava, and in America they call it Yuca. Okay, so I'm gonna make this out of snack. Okay, and stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this is the cassava. So I'm going to cut this into pieces and peel it. Okay. So first I'm gonna cut it. I'm going to peel. And I know some people peel this differently. Some people will peel it like this, like that. Either way is fine. Okay. I'm gonna chop this into little pieces so that I'll be able to blend them into the blender. I don't want my blender to break, so make sure you chop them into little pieces, okay? Just like this. Just in case you don't have a blender, you can use this. So just grate your cassava, and I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. But for me, I'm going to use my blender. Okay, you can use this. And this is the way you're going to come out. See that? Okay guys, so this is all cut into pieces. I'm just going to transfer them into this bowl. After this, the next step is for me to blend this cassava into my blender. Okay, my blender. Just gonna pour my cassava in there. Let me pour some water. Let me put some water. It's all smooth. So I'm going to use my strainer to remove the water. Okay guys, so try to squeeze out the water as much as you can. The less water, the more crunchy the cassava become when you fry it. Okay, just to let you guys. Okay guys, let's see how it looks like. So just make sure you remove the water out of the cassava. And I'm just going to add some salt to it. Don't put too much salt, okay? So I'm just going to mix it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be molding this cassava into that kind of shape I want it to be. So I will make it a little bit small, and it's up to you how you want it, the way you prefer, small or big, okay? And I'm going to repeat this process until I finish, and then after that I'm going to fry the cassava, okay? Okay guys, so this is it. After I finish molding this cassava, this is the way it's supposed to look at that. And after this I'm going to fry them. Okay guys, so I preheat my oil about 10 minutes before I started adding my cassava. So just make sure you preheat your oil first before you started adding the cassava into the pot. So as you can see, my pot is very big and I'm trying to add everything at once. So I just want to fry it one time. So after adding the cassava, I will start flipping them around just to make sure that they are not getting burned. And after this, I will keep doing this until I see what kind of color I like. It's supposed to be golden brown. Okay guys, so after finish frying the cassava, I'm gonna make pepper on the side to go with it. So as you can see, I have onions, habanero pepper, bell pepper, garlic, and I have some cilantro also, and some tomato. Okay, so I'm just going to put everything together and blend them together. Okay guys, so I'm going to make the pepper sauce. Okay, and I have my oil. So this is olive oil. You can use any kind of oil of your choice. Okay, so I'm just going to put my pepper, my veggies in here. Okay guys, so I'm going to add my seasonings into the pot. I'm adding some jumbo Maggi, shrimp Maggi, all in one, white pepper, black pepper, salt. Okay, and I will list all the seasoning into my description box below, so you can check it out, or you can just use your own seasonings that you have in your pantry. So it doesn't matter, you can try my own seasoning, but these ones are very good. So okay, check them out. Okay guys, so after adding all my seasonings, I will let this cook and I will come back and check it. And after I come back and check it, I will let it cook again and mix it until it's cooked, it's well cooked. And you will see the color changes when it's finished, and you can see the oil will sit on top of the pepper or the pepper sauce. Okay, and after that it's finished, it's ready to eat. So it's ready to eat with the cassava, or we call it Buhdoor in Sierra Leone. So this is one of Sierra Leone's street snack. Yes, so whenever you go to Sierra Leone, this is one of the street food that you're going to see on the street. It's called Buhdoor. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share.